Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Libra. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, the Moon, 2 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, the Star, the King of Cups, the Sun, the Queen of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, and the 7 of Wands. So Libra, bottom of my deck I have the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So either there is some delay going on in your love life, Libra, or maybe you don't want to be single anymore, or maybe you don't want your person to be single anymore. I do see a King of Cups in reverse in the center of my spread, which tells me that somebody is feeling very unhappy and very unloved at the moment. Maybe some secrets came out, and after that there's been a loss of a very strong soulmate connection here. Maybe somebody stopped putting in the work after that. But I do see some healing that a person is going through, maybe feeling very unloved, not feeling very happy, feeling rather depressed, thinking of their person now, who's actually kind of shining bright here, Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this person is now concentrated on themselves. Somebody is not happy about that, and they do want this fight to end somehow. They want this Queen of Pentacles to put down their barrier. So before I start clarifying these cards, Libra, let's start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see what's happening here. Libra and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Libra, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. Thank you. Libra and their person. Oops. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, spirit. One more. Libra and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Libra. Libra and their person. All right. Good to go, Libra. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. I told you somebody is healing from something which got disrupted here. I just want to see you and begin our life together. But these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and your inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. Somewhere somebody feels I'm not good enough, I don't have enough money, or they are jealous, or they feel that person is with somebody else. So the other person is saying, hey, these are all your mind-made self-worth issues which are holding us back. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us escaping reality, to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. I need some time to collect my thoughts. And the last one here, Libra says, I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Okay, Libra, these were some of your messages. Let's start with your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card, and let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Pause. There's a pause going on because of somebody's going through the dark night of the soul, like the card said. Somebody's going through some very, very dark emotions, and they are they've gone under. I think this is this King of Cups. And that's the reason there's a pause in your love life at the moment, Libra. Somebody's own self-worth issues, feeling they made some mistakes, going through. You heard the cards, and if you're still here and this reading is resonating with you, please give a little thumbs up, so it just lets me know how many people I'm kind of connecting with. That really helps me. Thank you so much. And newbies, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you join our channel. So the Moon card in reverse, Spirit, what happened here? Moon card in reverse. I feel some secrets were revealed here which led to the loss of this soulmate connection. Yes, it led to an ending. It led to an ending and the end to that dream of having a happily ever after. Whatever secrets came out, it kind of totally damaged this connection. Two of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse. Somebody is now heavily reflecting about why I lost my person. I think this person has gone into a little bit of a recluse, a hermit mode, trying to maybe understand from a spiritual point of view, or maybe they are being put in that corner so that their angels can work with them and give them downloads about their immature behavior. Maybe they were behaving in a very rash or immature manner, being somewhat of a player or inconsistent or bringing drama, unnecessary drama, which led to this connection. So I think this person has been going through the dark night of the soul. They are in hermit mode. They are thinking. They are now wondering what to do because they don't know how to make this work anymore. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Because of whatever secrets came out. It's just kind of telling me the same thing again. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is trying to get enlightenment now. Trying to understand why this connection stopped working. Trying to get more understanding. Trying to unearth the secrets maybe which are still deep down in their heart. They still have hope though. They still have hope. They still have a lot of passion, and they really do want a brand new beginning. They want to start once again. This person could be in healing right now, the Star. Or maybe they see their person as the person that they want, their wish fulfillment, the person that they really love and adore. What's the Star card, Spirit? Star card. Yes, somebody wants to fight for this connection one more time. They're trying to get that clarity. They want to now have some communication with the person that they've lost, I think. They want to fight for them, but they are feeling a bit blocked off. Maybe that person has kind of blocked them off now. The King of Cups is in reverse, which also means that they are feeling the loss of this love. They don't want this connection to end, even though they don't know how to bring a brand new beginning now. They don't know how to offer a brand new start. They feel, I have an equal pair here now, Libra. I have a King of Cups in reverse with the Queen of Cups in reverse. Now this is an equal pair, which I saw here as well, right? The Two of Cups in reverse. So this is exactly that. This is the Two of Cups in reverse. One more card, Spirit, for this King of Cups in reverse. King of Cups in reverse. They're trying to see things from a higher perspective, I think, now. Trying to figure out why they couldn't achieve this stability with this Queen of Cups. And whatever they're finding out, I don't think is making them feel very happy. They are understanding that they've lost the best person in their life. This person was their person, the Empress, who they disrespected maybe, or they didn't recognize maybe when the time was right. This is the queen above all queens. You don't just pass up on a queen just like that. And now that they've realized that they have, it's not making them feel very good about themselves. So, Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Queen of Pentacles. So what's the Sun card in reverse? Let's take that one for that first. What's the Sun card in reverse? Sun card in reverse. They're not happy about the fight. Maybe there was an argument, there was a fight, there was some competition, or maybe they brought competition, towards this Empress, and this Empress may have said, hey, I'm not going to be part of the competition. I'm pulling myself out of this equation. I don't want to be stuck in this unhealthy competition that you're putting me in. I think this Empress has refused them. This Empress has decided, I don't want to work with you anymore, especially after all this that's transpired between the two of us, all the secrets now that I know, and I'm not interested in spending the rest of my life feeling miserable. I'm going to go out and find stability and happiness for myself. And being the Empress, I think this person is doing a great job. They are now shining bright. They are loving, kind, generous, caring. They are financially very independent. They are like the perfect spouse. They have escaped. Yes, this person has escaped a situation which is making their partner now feel very, very depressed. They're feeling rather depressed that now the conflict still stays. Things have totally stagnated. And yes, there is imbalance in this connection now. So 7 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. 7 of Wands in reverse. Somebody has made a decision. Somebody has made a choice, but they do want to end the fight. That much that decision they've made. But because, again, same card, the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe too much of time has gone by. There's been too much of a delay. They don't know how to now go forward and how to speak their truth. The truth being that they want to have the 10 of Pentacles with this Queen of Pentacles. But so much of time has gone by, I think, even though I feel this person has now made a decision, they feel even if I go and tell my person is not going to believe me. I have come across as somebody very selfish and self-centered and not consistent. How do I get my person back? Because if I go and tell them, they're not going to trust me, they're not going to believe me, they're not putting in any kind of effort towards me at the moment. In fact, this may be the end. This may be the end of a soulmate contract here. They feel their person has absolutely stopped. This Queen of Pentacles has absolutely stopped putting in work, accepted that it's over, and they feel kind of dumped at the moment, Libra. Now, Libra, this could be you feeling this way. This could be your person. I don't know which side you're on. But somebody feels that their person has totally given up on them, and which is making them very sad, very depressed, and yes, they feel they've lost their power now. It's almost like feeling, what was that very old story about somebody's power being in their hair? I've forgotten now. Somebody put it down in the comments if you remember. That strong person, I've forgotten his name now. They cut his hair off and his power goes. So it's almost like that. This person feels they've lost their power ever since their the person left their life. One more, Spirit, for the Emperor in reverse. Yes, somebody is very, very, very unhappy at the moment because they feel I've been dropped. I've been dropped because now there is bad memories created, and it's an ending of a soulmate contract. This is making this King of Cups person feel extremely unhappy. But from what I feel, Libra, this is some emotions that you have to process. Maybe understand why this entire thing has taken place. I don't think this is the end. I don't think this is the end. It's just a pause. Maybe this is a lesson that had to be learnt. Spirit, give me something positive, please. I mean, give me one more card for Libra. Spirit saying, what positive can I say when this person has never really put in any investment? They never ever tended to the garden. How can it flourish? So that is what they have to understand, that to get something, you have to give something. You cannot just keep taking. And maybe that's what this person did. And they lost an Empress. That's why things are a bit stuck right now, because they probably breadcrumbed an Empress. There was no equal give and take, stagnancy, and childish behavior. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope it worked for you. If it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.